Today, we will learn how ignoring failure and staying strong in our determination can lead us to success. This beautiful story teaches us one of life's greatest lessons. So, don't go anywhere and stay with me till the end. Hello, friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Smart Educational Hub. Once upon a time, there was a tiny seed. It was very small. People walked over it without even noticing it. But inside that tiny seed was a very big dream. The seed said,
One day I want to become a big, strong tree.
it wanted to give cool shade on hot days. It wanted to give sweet fruits to people. It wanted birds to build their nests on its branches. It wanted children to play happily under its shade. It wanted to make the world a better place. One day, the wind carried the tiny seed to a piece of land. Soon, the seed was covered by dark soil. Everything around it became dark. The seed became scared. It could not see the sky anymore. It could not see the sun. It felt lonely. For a moment, the seed thought,
Maybe my dream is over.
but then it remembered its dream. It said,
No, I will not give up.
days passed. Heavy rain started falling. The ground became wet. Sometimes the rain was so strong that the tiny seed felt afraid. Then came very hot sunny days. The heat was difficult to bear. Some days were cold, some days were hard. The seed faced many problems. But every time life became difficult, the seed said,
I will keep trying.
slowly something wonderful happened. The rain gave water, the sun gave warmth, the soil gave food. Little by little, the seed became stronger. One morning, something amazing happened. A tiny seed sprout came out of the soil. For the first time, the little plant saw the bright blue sky. It smiled happily. The little plant was still very small, but it was growing every day. Every morning, it stretched a little higher. Every evening, its root grew a little deeper. Days became weeks, weeks became months. The small sprout became a young plant. Its leaves became bigger, its stem became stronger. A beautiful butterfly landed on one of its leaves. Birds started visiting nearby. The little plant felt happy, but life was still not easy. Strong winds came. Sometimes the branches bent. Sometimes the rain was too heavy. Sometimes the hot sun made the leaves dry. The young plant wanted to give up, but then it remembered its dream again. A big tree never grows in one easy day, so it stood strong. It kept growing. Year after year, the plant became taller. Its trunk became thick. Its branches spread wide. Finally, the tiny seed became a big, beautiful tree. People came to sit under its cool shade. Children laughed and played happily around it. Birds built safe nests in its branches. The tree gave sweet fruits to many families. Animals rested under it, and everyone loved the tree. One day, the tree looked at the sky and smiled. It remembered the day when it was only a tiny seed buried in dark soil. Now its dream had come true. The tree realized something very important. Every great thing starts small. Every big success begins with one small step. If the tiny seed had given up in the dark soil, it would never have become the beautiful tree everyone loved. Moral of this story: never stop trying because today's tiny effort can become tomorrow's great success. So, friends, what did you learn from this story? Write your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this story, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Smart Educational Hub for more simple English stories with powerful life lessons. Thanks for watching and see you in the next educational story. Till then, bye bye.